Good morning, everyone. Thanks for you for joining me today. My name is Isra Kamil Abdullah, study number 4425046 from the Faculty of Communication, majoring in Public Relations. It's an honor to stand before you and share insight on a topic that resonates deeply with our daily lives on campus. Today, I'm excited to present an explanation of the material on smoking in campus areas. As a student in public relations, I believe this subject is not just about health, it's about communication, awareness, and fostering positive change in our community. Smoking on campus is a widespread issue that affects everyone, from student rushing to class to faculty member enjoying a break. But why we thought we care? Well, beyond the obvious health risks like lung damage and addiction, smoking contributes to environmental pollution, secondary smoke exposure, and even social stigmas that can divide our campus community. Let me take a moment to set this stage. According to Global Health reports, smoking prevalence among young adults, including university students, remains alarmingly high, often driven by stress, inflation, and easy access to tobacco products in Indonesia, where many of us come from. The government has implemented strict regulation, such as the 2018 Tobacco Control Law, which prohibits smoking in public space, including educational institutions. Yet, enforcement on campus can be challenging, leading to debates about personal freedom versus collective well-being. In this video, we will delve deeper into the multiple impacts on smoking on campus. First, we'll examine the health and environmental consequences, supported by data from organizations like the World Health Organization. Second, we'll review exciting policies and their evaluation in creating smoke-free zone. Finally, drawing from public relations strategies, we'll discuss practical approaches to promote awareness, such as campaign, educational workshop, and community engagement to encourage behavioral change. By the end of this session, I hope you'll leave with a clearer understanding of how we can all contribute to a healthier campus environment. If you have any question or thought along the way, please free to interrupt or save them for the Q&A. Let us begin by exploring the current landscape of smoking prevalence and its implication in educational setting. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Itzar Kamil Abdullah with student ID number 4425046, and standing here today to introduce the lesson on the present continuous tense. We're currently exploring how this tense describe action happening right now, and I am about to demonstrate its usage with example. Please take a seat and get ready. I am starting the presentation. The first is a definition. The present continuous tense show that an action is happening right now or is in progress. It's a simple I'm studying. And the second is learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use the present continuous tense to talk about these things happening right now or around this moment. And the third is a formula. Subject plus am or is or are ditambah verb ing is example I'm eating, she is watching TV, they are playing football. For the fourth positive sentence, we use is or are with the verb plus ing. In example, I am reading a book. She is cooking dinner. And the three, they are studying together. For the fifth negative sentence, add not after am or is or are. Example, I am not sleeping, he isn't working, they aren't playing football. The sixth is question. To make question, put am or is or are at the beginning. Example, are you studying? Is he reading now? For the seven is verb ing rules. Add ing to most verb. Example, play to playing, to read to reading. The eight is spelling rule 1. If a verb ends with a, remove a and add ing. Example, write to reading. The name is spelling rule 2. If a verb ends with a vowel plus consonant, double the last consonant and add ing. Example, run to running. The 10 is usage. Now, we use present continuous for action happening now. Example, she is talking to her friend. The 11 is usage to temporary action. It's also used for temporary action. Example, I am staying in Bali this week. 12 is use 3, future plans. We can use it for planned future activities. Example, we are visiting grandma tomorrow. The 13th is time expression. Now, right, at the moment, today, this week, this day. The 14th is comparison. Single present is I eat breathing every day. Present continuous, I am eating breakfast now. The 15th is conversation example. This conversation, what are you doing? I am reading a comic. Are you enjoying it? Yes, it's really funny. The 16th is common mistake. He is play football? No. Agree, he is playing football. The 17th is example for practice. The 18th is example for practice for present continuous tense. The 19th is summary. Present continuous or is or are plus verb ing used for action happening now, temporary action, future plans. Thank you for our attention. See you.